are going to be doing a LED turn signal install on the Lowrider. This is with the new setup, with the new motovlog setup. We have the Canon 80D with the 10-18mm lens. It's super dope because it's very wide angle for what it is, and so you can also zoom in. And if you want to get a little tighter shot, but we like it wide, that way we have everything in the shot, and if we want to crop later on, we can. And we are also running the newer light. Pretty much everything we talked about in the unboxing video is what we're using. We have the Zumi, I can't even pronounce it, I think it's Zumi tripod, and that's been pretty much 10 out of 10. Well, let's say 9 out of 10. One of the things, it's got a bunch of little arms and legs that it's kind of annoying having to undo them, especially if you forget that you're gonna get a shot and you have to undo it after you pack it all up. But other than that, it's great, I love it, I dig it. But I digress. Amazon LED turn signals. These are $6 on Amazon for the pair. They're pretty bright. We've already kind of plug and played them just to see how they look. The way we're doing this, we have these connectors from the stock light. We have this just plug and play. So what we're gonna do is marry them together, kind of like how we do with the headlight, but we're gonna shave off a lot of this extra wire because it's a lot. I mean, there's nowhere near that length. We're gonna be using our handy dandy little solder things. Thanks again to Will, because we've been holding on to these and they're slowly getting less and less. I owe you a box, bud. So first things first is we're gonna remove the seat bolt, get that out of the way. Here is the one that we've roughly put together. It's already connected, very roughly. So we're just gonna go ahead and plug it in. I believe this is the left. There it is. So, turn this down so y'all can see it. $6, it's really bright. For placement, we're going to be placing the LED strip here on the bottom. We're going to be putting the wire underneath on this fender strut right here. It's similar to the alloy arcs, but it's not $120. This is $6. Who knows on the life of this LED strip? And as for the wiring, we're going to run it underneath the fender strut. Run the remaining wiring underneath the fender strut, the bottom portion. Continue to run it underneath until this portion, there's a little crevice. And so we'll run it underneath here, we'll run both of them, zip tie them together, and then plug them into the stock plug. This is where it's currently plugged in. So you can see it runs the wire up until the Super Ghetto setup until we start it. So we decided we're just gonna go with tape on the underside of the fender strut because we are looking for a quick fix, and this is gonna be it.